In this fast-paced digital era, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content surrounding us. Amidst this sea of information, it's crucial to stay focused and dedicated to your goals. It's tempting to constantly chase the next big thing, but true greatness is often found in the details. By embracing repetition, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of perfection, you can turn your craft into an art form and leave a lasting impact on the world. So let's embark on this journey together and discover how to become a master of your craft in the process. Understand and respect the craft. You must understand and respect the craft before you can master it. Whether you're a writer, musician, craftsman, or pursuing any other endeavor, excellence begins with genuine admiration and respect for the work itself. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for recognition or financial success and lose sight of the joy and fulfillment that come from creating something beautiful. However, it's precisely this passion for the work itself that drives those who achieve true greatness. Take, for example, the world-renowned chef Thomas Keller, whose dedication to his craft is evident in his numerous cookbooks and Michelin-star restaurants. He didn't become a culinary icon by chasing fame or fortune, but by respecting and embracing the art of cooking. Similarly, the legendary musician Quincy Jones didn't achieve his status by merely chasing chart-topping hits, but by developing a deep understanding and appreciation for music. In fact, he once said, "If you don't live it, you can't create it." This sentiment perfectly encapsulates the importance of living and breathing your craft in order to truly excel at it. So take a moment to reflect on your own passions and the work you want to create. What do you admire about your craft? How can you incorporate these elements into your work? By embracing the beauty and intricacies of your craft, you'll be well on your way to mastering it. Master the basics. To truly master a craft, one must first lay a solid foundation by learning the basics. It's a common misconception that greatness can be achieved by skipping the fundamentals and trying to learn advanced techniques or chase the latest trends. However, this approach often leads to mediocrity rather than excellence. True mastery comes from a deep understanding and refinement of the core principles that govern a particular field. Take, for example, the world of digital marketing, which is constantly evolving with new platforms and strategies emerging all the time. While it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends, it's equally crucial to master the basic principles of marketing, such as understanding your target audience, crafting a compelling value proposition, and delivering exceptional customer service. Even the most successful digital marketers today have mastered these basics, and they continue to refine their skills. Don't fall into the trap of chasing quick fixes or shortcuts. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation by learning the basics. This will not only help you to succeed in the present, but also set you up for long-term success and adaptability in the face of ever-changing circumstances. Embrace repetition. We live in a world that often glorifies originality and innovation, but the truth is that many of the greatest works of art have been created through repetition. Take, for example, the world-renowned painter Pablo Picasso, who spent years painting still lifes and portraits before he developed his groundbreaking Cubist style. Or consider the prolific author Agatha Christie, who wrote dozens of short stories before publishing her first full-length mystery novel. These individuals didn't achieve greatness by trying to be different or innovative from the start. Rather, they honed their skills and developed their unique styles through years of dedicated practice and repetition. But why is repetition so important? The answer is simple. Repetition allows you to develop muscle memory and automatism. By repeating a task over and over again, you free up your mind to focus on the more creative aspects of your work. You become so efficient and skilled at performing the task that it becomes second nature. And this is where the magic happens. When you've reached a level of mastery through repetition, you're able to express yourself more freely and authentically in your work. You no longer have to worry about the technical aspects of your craft because your body and mind have already mastered them. So embrace repetition in your own work. Find joy in the process and allow yourself to become lost in the flow of creating. Who knows what masterpieces you might create in the process? Persevere through obstacles. We all encounter obstacles and setbacks on our journey to greatness. It's simply part of the process. But the key to overcoming these challenges lies in our mindset and our ability to persevere. Many individuals who achieve greatness did so not because they faced no obstacles, but because they had the determination and resilience to keep going despite the setbacks. Consider the legendary scientist Marie Curie, who faced gender discrimination and societal prejudice throughout her career. Despite these challenges, she persevered and became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. The renowned entrepreneur Steve Jobs was also no stranger to obstacles. He was fired from the company he co-founded, Apple, and faced personal struggles that would have broken a lesser individual. Yet he persevered, started a new company, and eventually returned to Apple, where he became one of the most successful CEOs of all time. Their stories, like countless others, teach us that being early in the process is not a disadvantage, but rather a sign that you are growing and evolving. Embrace the discomfort of feeling early. It means you're pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone and expanding your abilities. Remember, true mastery is not achieved overnight. It takes years of dedicated practice, learning from mistakes and adapting to new information. So don't be afraid to start at the beginning. Learn the basics and repeat them until they become second nature. Be patient with yourself and trust in the process. With perseverance and a commitment to excellence, you can achieve greatness in your chosen field. Create your legacy. In a world where everyone seeks to stand out, it's easy to get caught up in the pressure to be different and original. However, it's important to remember that true greatness is often the result of years of dedicated work and refinement rather than a sudden burst of originality. Some of the most iconic figures in history didn't achieve greatness by trying to be someone else. They succeeded by staying true to themselves and their values. Take, for example, the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali, who was known not only for his boxing skills, but also for his outspoken views on social and political issues. Despite facing discrimination and persecution for his beliefs, he remained true to himself and became one of the most influential athletes of all time. Similarly, the iconic fashion designer Coco Chanel didn't just create clothing, she created a lifestyle that resonated with women around the world. She broke away from the restrictive fashion norms of her time and introduced comfortable, stylish clothing that allowed women to express themselves. Despite facing criticism and mockery, she stayed true to her vision and created a fashion empire that continues to thrive today. So if you want to create your legacy, focus on refining your craft and staying true to yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and break the mold. And above all, don't be discouraged by the time it takes to achieve greatness. Remember, the world may not recognize your work for years, but that shouldn't stop you from creating something truly special. As the famous author Margaret Atwood once said, "In the end, we are our choices." So choose wisely and create the kind of work that you can be proud of. Don't settle for mediocrity. Aim for greatness. The world is waiting for you to create your masterpiece. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of your craft. Just remember to stay focused, dedicated, and always strive for perfection. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. We wish you all the best in your journey to greatness.